Hi, lovely people. How are you? How was your Thanksgiving? Now, let me know down in the comments. Did you cook? Did you go out to eat? Did you go over family's house? Did you do Thanksgiving alone? Let me know. Let me know what you ate. I'm always curious to see what people do for their holidays. Please like this video. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you have not already, because I have something exciting going on. So from December 1st to December 12th, I am having 12 days of giveaways. So make sure you are subscribed for that. But if you read from my title, I am finally unboxing the November 2000, I was going to say 8. I've been doing that lately, 2018. Allure beauty box, and it seems like everybody got it but me. Is because I'm still having problems with my address. I had to change my address, so this had got a long story. Anyway, I finally got it. So if you don't know what Allure Beauty Box is, it is $15 a month. I will leave the link down below if you want to subscribe, because next month, Nikki Tutorials is curating it, and it's going to be amazing. So anyway, without further ado, if you're still watching, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It always comes with this like little pamphlet, and it tells you what everything is, and it gives you prices of if it was full size. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. So that's what it looks like. So this, I see a pair of earrings. Right here, it says Lulu Frost and Allure. Special gift. Oh, $95. Look at $95. So usually what Allure does, I feel like I have a hair or something on me. What Allure does, if you are subscribed to them, about every 6 months, they'll throw something in there just to say thank you. And I got a pair of earrings, which I know my daughter will definitely love these. So that's pretty good. $95 earrings. Wow. I like this box already. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So the first thing I'm seeing, it looks like it's all like skincare this month. So the first thing we got is this rose lip mask by, who is this by? Kaku Star? I don't know. Let's see what it says. Okay, this would be $38 for 20 of them, and we got one of them to try. Now, I don't really like the mask, the lip mask, but my mother does, so I will definitely give that to her. Oh, this is a Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing for all skin types. So I am definitely excited to try this. This is $8, and what does it say? What is a jelly sheet mask? Let me put my glasses on for this. I am realizing that I do need glasses. These are these cheater glasses you get from the dollar store. But for the longest time, if you are not new to my channel, I couldn't hardly say. I would always say, oh, I can't read it. So I'm coming in the realization that I am getting old and my eyes are not like they used to be. Okay, so this... Okay, this says, it's hard for any one sheet mask to stand out. It seems like a new one launches every minute. So it's impressive that Glow Recipes has a devoted following. It's also easy to see why it is so beloved. It comes in 2 pieces, one for the top half of your face, one for the bottom, to fit most face shapes, which is good, because if you notice, sometimes when it's all one, like sometimes this is too thin, or the nose, or what have you, it doesn't always fit everybody's, because everybody has a different face shape. And if you notice, if I'm moving my glasses, because my eyelashes are long, they always hit the glass part. Okay. So where was I at? It's transparent, so I wear it on flights since it doesn't look too obvious, says Devin, Allure's digital beauty reporter. It's soothing enough to calm my skin's redness, and it hydrates very well. It breaks up the flakiness I get on dry patches because it clings to skin. You can putter around while you wear it. Bonus, it smells like Sour Patch watermelon gummies. So I am definitely excited to try that. The next thing we got is from Patchology. This says, oh, this is the eye gels, which I have tried this before, and they're okay, you know. Okay, so where is that? So, where is it? $15 for 5 pairs. Okay. This is 3 hair rings, and that's kind of weird to get like hair ties. What is going on with my hair today? To get that, but I guess to put your hair back when you're doing like face skincare things. So for 3 of these, this is $7.95. Okay. Oh, we got a little sample of Glam Glow. That's exciting. So a full size would be $59. This is a super mud clearing treatment. So I like that. And a couple more things. Wow, this is pretty good. So this is a pearl brightening from Lacoste. This is a skin mask right there. And let's see how much that is. This is $14 for 5 of them. So these are all pretty good ones. I don't know, maybe some people won't like this month's box because they like makeup, but I love skincare. So I am not knocking it. Come on, get out of there. All right, so what is this? This is from Star Skin. This is an exfoliating double layer foot massage. So this is one of them ones, I think. How much is this puppy? This is $15. And what this is, if you put this on usually for like about an hour, I believe, or 90 minutes, and then after a while, like you rinse it off, and then within what, takes like what, about a week or so, and 7 to 10 days, and your foot like peels and stuff, and it takes all that dry skin off. So I always wanted to try this, so I'm excited. And then last but not least, this is, what is this? What is this? Enjoy your $10 gift towards your next full price beauty purchase of Anthro Beauty. Okay, so we got that. So that's pretty good. I am really excited to try this foot thing. And then we got a sheet mask, and this is for brightening, which is good. We got some eye mask. Now, here's the thing what I have done. Here's a little trick. When I put eye mask on, okay, and they like fall down, I'll put a sheet mask over it, so it kind of like you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone, and the sheet mask will hold up the eye mask. So if that ever happens to you, we got a little sample by Glam Glow, but I'm not knocking it because the full size is $59. I am most excited with the foot thing and this by Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. That's exciting. And this lip mask I will give my mother. And then the earrings. I think it's beautiful, and I will definitely give this to my daughter. I don't know if I showed you a close-up. Gorgeous. So that's everything I got in the Allure this month. I am so excited to get it. Like I said, I do love skincare. So if you're wondering what is on my face, let me move my glasses. I have on the gingerbread palette from Too Faced Cosmetics. I'm not sure if you can still get this anymore. I have no idea. But it's really beautiful, and I just really like it. And I am wearing my blush today is from Juvia's Place. They only have 2 pressed powders and in the blush, and this is the lighter one that I'm wearing today. And then for highlighter, I am wearing the Ofra Rodeo Dry, which I really like. On my waterline, I am wearing an eyeliner from Note Cosmetics, which, like I said in my other video, I really don't remember where I got this from, but I like it. It's okay. And then I am wearing 2 ColourPop Bullet lipsticks from ColourPop, like I said. The one I have on is Liquid Courage. I have on the bottom, and on top of that is Pinkies Up. I really like these 2 together. So yeah, that's everything. Please like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to get in on the giveaways. And make sure you hit that notification bell, because I know a lot of people aren't getting my notifications. I don't know what YouTube's doing, so make sure that you click it and it says always or all the time notifications. Make sure it says that, or you only get notified once in a great while. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this month's box. Did you get a special gift? Let me know. And I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.